This unit will teach the learners relational theory concepts such as normalization, foreign keys, ensuring consistency, three-value logic, indexes for efficiency, database optimization, etc. as an advanced course. It will presume that the learners have some familiarity with basic SQL extraction and manipulation techniques, such as those taught in L4 Unit 8. It will teach how to create various database objects and their benefits: egg tables, dynamic/materialized views, triggers, stored procedures, user-defined functions, etc. What IT project management involves at its core? IT project management involves planning, executing, and delivering IT-related projects, such as software development, infrastructure upgrades, or system integrations on time, within scope and on budget. Effective management requires the use of appropriate tools, software and systems, and techniques, methods, and strategies to ensure each stage of the project is handled efficiently. 020300405. These tools are used to plan, track, collaborate, and report on projects. Here are the most commonly used categories and examples: project planning and scheduling tools like Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, or Monday. Collaboration and communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. Task and workflow management like Jira, Trello, Asana. Documentation and file sharing like Confluence, Google Drive. Version control tools like Git, GitHub. Reporting and dashboards like Power BI, Tableau. These are the methods or approaches used to structure and control the project from start to finish. Examples include waterfall model, agile methodology, Scrum framework, Kanban, critical path method, CPM. PERT, risk management techniques, and stakeholder analysis. Each method has its strengths and is suited to different types of projects. How to use Gantt charts and manage dependencies. Interpreting burn-down charts in Agile. Managing stakeholders through RACI matrices. Writing and managing a project scope statement. Tracking and controlling budget and time using Earned Value Management, EVM. In real-world IT projects, it is common to combine multiple tools, for example, using Jira for development tasks, Microsoft Teams for meetings, and Power BI for reporting. Methodologies may also be blended, such as applying a waterfall approach for the initial planning phase, followed by agile sprints during development. The selection of tools and techniques should align with the project's size, complexity, team location, and flexibility requirements. 020300405. One identified problem in a small retail business is the inefficient system for tracking customer orders and inventory. The store currently relies on handwritten logs and basic spreadsheets to record incoming stock, customer orders, and deliveries. This approach frequently leads to lost records, stock inaccuracies, and delays in fulfilling orders. It also consumes significant staff time, particularly when searching for past order details or manually calculating available stock levels. There's a clear opportunity to introduce a customized inventory and order management system, a digital solution that would streamline how stock is recorded, tracked, and updated. A basic web-based application or database system could automatically update inventory levels when a sale is made, track customer orders from entry to delivery, send alerts for low stock or delayed orders, generate reports for sales and stock movement. This would drastically reduce errors, improve customer service, and make the whole process faster and more reliable. All stakeholders would be involved in the design and feedback process to ensure the system is relevant, usable, and worth the investment. Store manager wants better visibility and control over stock and order processes, responsible for decisions. Sales staff use the system daily to record sales and check stock, needed to be fast and easy to use. Customers benefit indirectly: faster service, fewer delays, more accurate orders. It consultant/developer designs and builds the system, needs clear requirements and feedback during testing. Owner/business partner wants to reduce cost of errors, improve efficiency, and possibly scale the business later. In a residential care home setting, a significant problem is the manual recording of medication administration and daily care logs. Currently, all records are maintained on paper, with staff handwriting medication records, incident reports, and shift handovers. This process frequently results in issues such as missing information, illegible handwriting, and difficulty in tracking errors or identifying trends. 02, 03, 04, 05. The opportunity here is to introduce a digital care management system that includes electronic MAR charts, care planning, and incident logging. A system like this could ensure real-time updates that all staff can see immediately, provide alerts for missed medications or overdue tasks, keep secure digital records for inspections and audits, help management track staff performance and care quality, save time on handovers with clear, structured logs. The system would be introduced with full staff training and regular feedback to ensure it works well in a busy care environment. When planning and implementing a digital care management system in a care home, it is essential to involve all key stakeholders from the outset. These include the care home manager, senior carers, frontline staff, residents' families, the aid provider, and external inspectors. Each group has distinct concerns, varying levels of understanding, and specific communication preferences, making the choice of appropriate engagement channels a critical factor in the project's success. Stakeholder group engagement channel reason for choice: care home manager one-to-one meetings, project updates via email, dashboard reports. Senior level stakeholder needs regular progress updates and reporting. Senior carers and care staff group workshops, face-to-face training, WhatsApp group, or internal messaging platform. They use the system daily, so they need hands-on support, practical demos, and quick updates. Engage staff early through workshops, training, and regular feedback. We risk low adoption, errors, or confusion. 02. If we don't engage them early through workshops, training, and regular feedback. 03. Introducing a new digital system can be met with resistance. 04. A project that succeeds and one that creates more problems than it solves. 05. Especially from staff who are used to paper-based processes or lack confidence with it. At a secondary school, a digital attendance and communication system was introduced to replace paper registers and inconsistent parent contact methods. The project involved a broad range of stakeholders, including teachers, administrative staff, parents, its support, and the senior leadership team. Stakeholder engagement channels: teachers' staff meetings, email updates, quick start guides. They're using the system daily, so they need training and space to give feedback. Admin team one-to-one sessions. Manuals, FAQs. They manage student records and need detailed system access. Effective stakeholder management ensures that everyone feels involved rather than forced into change. Support is available when issues arise. If parents do not understand how to use a new school system, important messages may be missed, and trust in the school could be undermined. If teachers are not properly trained, they may revert to previous methods. In a warehouse setting, a barcode scanning system was introduced to improve stock control. Previously, the operation relied on paper-based records and manual counting. The implementation impacted all levels of the operation, from warehouse operatives to managers and delivery drivers. Stakeholder engagement channels. Warehouse operatives' hands-on training, group briefings before shifts. Practical demos build confidence and reduce disruption. Warehouse supervisor daily check-ins, shared dashboard access. To monitor system use and resolve issues quickly. Conclusion: in a fast-moving warehouse, delays caused by poor system understanding can lead directly to lost time and financial losses. Incorrect scanner use can make stock levels unreliable, while lack of daily system monitoring by supervisors allows issues to go unnoticed. Through effective stakeholder management, you can ensure the system is used correctly, consistently, and to its full potential, protecting both operational efficiency and profitability. Thank you for your attention.